Saving money in a modern North American household is more important than ever, given rising living costs and inflation. But how can a typical family cut down on expenses without sacrificing comfort or quality of life? What practical steps can homeowners take to reduce their monthly bills? 1. Energy efficiency. One of the most effective ways to save money is by improving energy efficiency at home. Are there areas where energy is wasted? Simple changes like switching to LED bulbs, using energy-efficient appliances, and sealing drafts around windows and doors can significantly reduce utility bills. Installing a programmable thermostat to optimize heating and cooling also helps save energy costs in the long term. 2. Smart shopping. How can families save on groceries? Shopping with a list, buying in bulk, and taking advantage of store discounts can make a big difference. Apps and loyalty programs offer coupons and cashback options. Reducing food waste by planning meals ahead and using leftovers creatively also contributes to savings. 3. Water conservation. Is water being overused in your household? Installing low-flow faucets and shower heads, fixing leaks, and running dishwashers and washing machines only when fully loaded are simple ways to reduce water bills. Additionally, collecting rainwater for gardening can cut down on outdoor water usage. 4. Cutting subscription services. Many households subscribe to multiple streaming services, magazines, and delivery subscriptions. Are all these services necessary? Regularly reviewing and cutting back on unused or unnecessary subscriptions can save a surprising amount of money over time. 5. Home maintenance. What about the long-term savings that come from regular home maintenance? Investing in small repairs before they turn into bigger issues can prevent costly emergencies down the road. This includes maintaining your HVAC system, checking your roof, and cleaning out gutters regularly. 6. DIY projects. Can you handle simple home projects yourself? Instead of hiring professionals for minor tasks, consider taking on do-it-yourself projects. Painting, landscaping, or fixing minor leaks can save on labor costs. There are countless online tutorials available for guidance. 7. Reducing credit card debt. How can credit card debt impact household savings? High-interest debt can drain monthly budgets. Prioritizing paying off debt, negotiating lower interest rates, or transferring balances to a lower interest card can help save on interest payments. Conclusion. Saving money in a North American household involves a mix of small, practical steps and long-term planning. From improving energy efficiency to cutting unnecessary expenses, there are many ways to trim costs without sacrificing comfort. Could these small changes really add up to significant savings? Many families find that with a little planning and discipline, they can achieve meaningful financial benefits while maintaining their lifestyle.